Hello everybody, today we are going to talk about the text formula. And so what this will do is this will format text, numbers, any dates, a little bit misleading with the name, but it will format anything that you want. So what we will do is we will throw in some values here. So 1, 2, 3, throw in some dates, 12, yeah. We'll throw in 2287. I think that's enough. Um, and then what we can do is we will use a text formula. So same thing, text, link it to the cell, and then the format that you want. So let's say we want to put this as a dollar format. We can just do quotes, dollar sign, and number, and then that will, and close the quote. That will return with the dollar sign. And then you can see that we can make that go to other text if you want to change it to 43, and then it will give you the dollar sign there too as well. If we want to return dates, we can use the text formula as well. Dates are probably the most common thing that I use this for. If we want to return it as year, month, day, we can do that, and it will rearrange everything like that. If we want to return the month that is in there, we can do it that way. If we want to return, month, and then throw the, let's see, what would be a good one, month, day, year. You can do that. So really anything you want to do with that is possible. And then at the same way, you can do it with dates that aren't formatted as dates. So if you are returning a number and you want to return the actual date, you can do that and make it look a little less weird. It will return the actual date that's in there. So you can see if we want to go over here and change it as date, it's the same. So hopefully that helps you guys out. There's so many things you can do with the text formula to be able to format. However, if you have something specific, feel free to throw it in the comments below and we'll try to get an answer for you. Or Google is always the man's best friend. So hopefully that helps you guys out, and have a good one.